It's Darren Wood here at Supply Side West 2017, and I'm on the Avebe stand and I'm talking with Mike Finfrock. Mike, thanks for joining me today. Now, we've seen a lot of pea protein products here at the show, but you're the first potato protein product that I've seen. Tell me more about it, please.
That's correct. Potato protein is new to the industry or new to the market segment, but we're here because we have a unique solution to what these folks are looking for. So with potato protein, it's different in the sense that it is a complete protein. The nutritional quality of the product is superior to most plant-based proteins. The plant-based proteins in the marketplace currently today lack some of the essential amino acids and therefore not being able to be called a complete protein. Whereas potato falls into that category where we are a complete protein and we get that protein credit, so to speak, when formulators are looking to formulate highly nutritious, well-rounded, complete products. And not only that, but we also have a position where our products taste good. It's sustainable. It's non-GMO. Of course, it's plant-based, it's vegan. We like to say that it ticks all the boxes. And so when formulating with potato protein, it's fairly simple and straightforward.
Can you please tell me, because I'm interested to know, what the consumer reaction has been? How has it been to, say, a conventional protein for them trying the potato protein?
I think that's a great question because I think what's happening, yesterday we had more than 130 new contacts come to our booth in the short period of time. And I say that because they're people that we didn't know or didn't know us. And the reaction, to answer your question, the reaction was, protein in potato? What? I've never heard of potato protein or heard protein in potato. So then we tell the story of how it came to be. And then once we go through the process with them of how we extract potatoes, how we get the how we extract the protein from potatoes, and then how we further refine it, and then how it becomes an ingredient for them to use, and then the proof's in the pudding, so to speak, in the fact that we have a variety of applications that we show them. They taste, feel, touch, smell, and they actually consume it. And we've had a great reaction from people all day yesterday and again this morning as they've tried potato protein for the first time. Really remarkable. Comments of, wow, the flavor is really good, or it seems it's been covered very well. For the protein content you've put into these products at such a high level, I don't feel it, I don't taste it, I don't notice it.
And covered very well is key because protein has a certain taste which is somewhat hard to mask. Please tell me quickly about the development process. You mentioned that you've been talking to consumers throughout the show about how you extract the starch. Please tell me more.
So when we talk about extracting the protein, so what happens is there's three primary constituents in a potato. There's starch, there's fiber, and there's protein. So we peel away the starch, which is a value-added product which we sell into the food industry. We take away the fiber, and we're left with a solubilized protein in that stream. And we take that stream, and through some unique processing, we take and we are able to cook. Well, in this case with this product, we go through a heat coagulation step, like cooking an egg. So we cook that protein, and it coagulates it. It then becomes just protein at that point. In this case with this product line, it's not functional, meaning it's no longer soluble, it's no longer has the ability to gel or to emulsify, but what it is just grams of high quality plant-based non-GMO vegan protein. And so that's really simplifying the process.
We've always got an eye on the future.
Yes.
And I'm sure Avebe has as well. Please tell me, what's next for you?
We've also developed a product called textured protein product. At least that's our nomenclature for it. That textured protein product is a product that is an extruded product. It contains potato protein and potato starch, but what it is, it's different than the crisp because this is a texturized piece. This texturized piece, once hydrated, mimics fibrous meat, but not made from meat. Obviously, it's made from potato protein and potato starch. So this, we believe, is a very innovative solution into a segment that's trying to avoid some of those allergen issues associated with protein. It's not for me to criticize our counterparts in the industry, but some of the proteins in this segment, and these plant-based proteins, are allergens. I mean, there's just no way around it. And so, as people are evaluating cleaner labels, cleaner labels and kind of more well-rounded products, they're trying to pull out those allergens, and we fit really nice and neat into that category. So this product I mentioned is a perfect solution to replacing textured soy protein or textured wheat protein. Those types of products that today are considered, allergens and used widely across the meat analog segment. The meat analog segment are those products that look like, taste like, feel like, smell like meat, but aren't derived from meat ingredients, and they have that meat-like texture. These components that we've developed will allow people to now pull out some of those less desirable ingredients and those allergens, and now substitute it with a high-quality, plant-based, non-GMO, vegan, hypoallergenic plant-based product like ours.
And we'll have more on this on foodbev.com very soon. Mike, thank you very much for joining me today.
Thank you, my pleasure.